Hello guys, welcome again to another qualification video. So today we are going to qualify for identify potential news site, this one here. Okay, so let's log into our UHRS account. So let's qualify for this. As you can see, there will be only 10 hits in the qualification test. So let's start. So guys, this is going to be so easy. Our work is just to check the website on the left here, this one, and check if it contains some news content. If it contains some news content, just click on yes and you submit. If it doesn't contain some news content, just click no, submit. If you are not sure, click on not sure, submit. If the site contains some adult content, click on adult content, submit. If the site is in a wrong language apart from English, just click foreign language and you submit. Okay, so if the page couldn't load in this frame, you need to open it in a new tab and judge that page. And if it doesn't load in the new tab, just click on no and you submit. Okay, so here are the guidelines. Just take your time and go through it. This one, yes, this is the guideline. So just take your time and go through it. It's a one-page guideline, so it won't take too much of your time. Okay, so let's start qualifying for this one. So let's check this holidayweather.com. So let's open it. This one is a new tab. So for this one, we'll come and click on no. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. So welcome to the Addition Food Trail. So this is a blog about food, the Law Collection Limited. So this one is a blog. So this doesn't contain any news content. Click on no and we submit. And yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. So let's open this one in a new tab to see it clearly. Magazine. So let's check. So for this one, I can see it contains some news. Agency Trade Association Unit for State. Which So for this one, I click on yes, but the site is talking about traveling, so maybe it is a blog. It contains different news sites. Let's click on news, yes, and let's submit. And yes, we are correct. The website has up-to-date news article. Okay. So click on yes and we submit. We move to the next one. Property property mark. Let's open it a new tab to see it clearly. Content to so many ads. Okay. Latest property news. Property make qualification. Shaping the profession. Exclusive. We are recruiting. Okay. So for this one, 14th September 17th, and all the news, all these articles are up to date. So let's click on yes. I'll click on yes and submit. And yes, the website has up to date news articles, as you can see. Even though the site is talking about property, it measures on property. The news are up to date. So we move to the next one. It didn't load here, so if it doesn't load like this one, let's open it in a new tab. Check first of all if the links are the same. So pitbridgewood.com. So check on it, pitbridgewood.com. Okay, so this one is a blog. You click on no, that's not a new site, and we move to the next one. Okay, for this one, let's open it in a new tab to see it clearly. The Rolling Stone Tattoo Anniversary Edition feature 9 news. Okay, this one is not a new site, so click on no and we submit, and yes, we are correct. This didn't load in this frame, so let's open it in a new tab. B2B marketing leadership, marketing life. So marketing strategy, brand definition, services. Let's see, brand content. Okay, who we've worked with, James Good. So this one, James Good. Okay, this is not a new site, this one is a blog. Okay, let's check about us page. To confirm if this is a new site, let's check about us page and see. Wait, about James Good. So this one is not a new site, this one is a blog. So click on no and we submit. Yes, you see, after opening in a new tab, we found there are no news in the main page. Another news stories. Okay, so these, we move to the next one. So this one also doesn't open in this frame. So blog factory dot, let's open it in a new tab. So blog factory COUK.wordpress.com. so blog factory.co. so as you can see, this one is a wrong site. You see, we are supposed to go to blog factory. We're supposed to go to blog factory COUK.wordpress.com. Okay, let's check this one. Yeah, but this one is taking us to blogfactory.co.uk. So for the site that we are looking for, it didn't have any .co. So let's click on no. It opened in a wrong tab, a wrong website. I mean, it took us to a wrong website. So let's submit. And now the website has news article. Wait. This site is taking too much time to load. Let's check that site again. Why did they wrong me? They're saying this site contains some news articles. So let's see. Wait. Couple. Flat code prime suspect 10 years. Okay, prime. Princess Diana fake romance with the Dodi and only kiss. Okay, so these are news articles. Yeah, so they are correct. So it was supposed to be yes. So let's move to the next one. Spooning Australia. Let's open it in a new tab. Let's check on it. Spooning Australia.co. Spooning Australia.co. So for this one, something for just the perfect local. So this one is this is a restaurant. So this is not a news website because that's a restaurant website. We click no and we submit, and yes, we are correct. We move to the next one. Collage staff. Independent online news for Cornwall. Okay. To few or too many hospital bed in Cornhill. So this one is a new site. Click on yes and we submit. And yes, guys, we've passed. So I hope you've seen the questions that I've wronged. so you're not supposed to get them wrong on your side. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye, see you.